just the way that I am. My baby loves me just the way that I am.
That looks about right. $1 gallon because gas prices are so ridiculous. Make sure you get all that oil. Oil prices are ridiculous too. Got what I think I might need. Got chain lube. Probably gonna need to tighten my chain. Should have what I'll need to do that. Gear bag check. Got boots, knee pads. Let's see, I got riding pants, helmet, gloves, goggles. That should be good. Sweet KX 250, of course. Don't have a dirt bike in your video? Do you even ride dirt bikes? I don't think so. Always make sure you check the important stuff: sprocket bolts, rotor bolts, all the bolts, caliper bolts, pinch bolts. Make sure the chain's dialed and lubed. Make sure you got gas. You got to make sure you got gas. You don't want to run out of gas. That's never good. Don't have to go to Rev City right off the get-go. People out here running and riding bicycles and stuff. That's cool. Shake it up real good before you turn the gas on. Ricky Pierce, can you hear me?
I can hear you now. I had it on mute for some reason. Hey,
Yes.
Are you gonna be? I got some stuff to bring by to your gift to you at the shop. You gonna be at the shop here anytime today? No, I got a mic. You need a microwave?
I'll take a microwave.
All right, I got a roller deal for your floor and set on and roll around your shop.
Oh, that'll be sweet. Yeah, I'll take all that.
All right, buddy.
All right, thank you, Ricky Pierce. Love you. Later. Fucking Ricky Pierce. Had to run back to my shop and grab a spark plug because I found the spark plug. I guess there's a first time for everything. Gloves and goggles. Try this again. Jinxed myself. Shouldn't have been talking so much shit. Oh, never foul the spark plug. I don't foul spark plugs. Ah, bah, bah, bah. Foul spark plug, of course. Here. dusting you guys out, am I?